I will run you through installing one of our shotgun optic mounts today. In particular, it is our RMR mount that is relatively universal. Give you the specs on that, but it can be mounted on a ton of shotguns. Today we're going to mount it on a Stoeger M3000. What you see is what you'll get in your package. Depending on what you order, you'll get the right screws for the right shotgun. I'm gonna do it today with an unanodized mount just because it's easier to see. So what you'll need is your mount, your screws. For the RMR, we provide the 6/32 screws. You'll need a 1/16 Allen key for that. And then in this case, for the Stoeger, you'll need a T15 Torx. I do recommend, in general, using something like this torque wrench, torque driver. We recommend installing the mounts to 15 to 18 inch-pounds. You'll want to look at the manufacturer's recommendations for the Optic mount, but typically mounting the Optic to the mount, I also recommend about 15 inch-pounds for that. Haven't had any issues there. We do provide some VC3 Vibratite. I do recommend using that over blue Loctite or other Loctite alternatives. The Vibratite, it's sticky and it will stain things, so be careful where you apply this and where you get it, because I have a permanent stain on my kitchen counter. In our testing though, it's worked considerably better than the blue Loctite. We originally tried blue Loctite and mounts kept coming loose, optics kept coming loose. Have not had that issue with Vibratite. You do not need to use much Vibratite, just a drop of it. But it does work great. So, to start, Optic mount, you'll line it up here and see. Want to line that first screw up first. Let me swing this over here. So you will install the front screw first. So that is the fixed location here. I will drop that in. I'm not going to apply Vibratite because I'm going to remove this. So we'll snug that down, kind of finger tight there before we do anything else. That's in location. Then we will drop the second one in. And as you can see, we have a slot here, so this will work with a wide range of shotguns. I will provide the dimensions of that slot so you can measure your own shotgun and see, hey, will this work or not? So we'll snug this one down a little bit, come back here, snug it the rest of the way, snug that the rest of the way. Voila, you're done. Simple as that.